Studies indicate that teachers can spend up to 20 hours a week grading test papers manually. Paper-based quizzes tend to consume a lot of time, making the task of grading and performance evaluation slow and boring. By creating quizzes with ProProfs online quizmaker, teachers all over the world can save their time and effort that they'd otherwise spend in creating, grading, and scoring quizzes. ProProfs offers more than 15 ready-to-use templates that they can choose to edit and create the quiz. They can even create a quiz from scratch. It can take hours to days to write interesting assessment questions, but ProProfs has the largest library of 100,000 ready-to-use questions which they can use to import questions and add them to their quiz. There are 10 different question types, including multiple choice, fill in the blanks, true and false, and more. They can even copy questions from previous quizzes they've created with ProProfs or bulk import questions from an Excel sheet. Add images, audios, and videos to questions. It will make the quiz much more interesting and engaging. Set scores and grades for correct answers in advance and allow instant feedback. This will save a lot of time and effort that goes in manually grading papers and giving feedback. Allow instant feedback for each question or based on answer option selected, so feedback is personalized based on student selection. Once teachers have created a quiz, they can directly share it with students through emails. So, the students can take the quiz anytime, anywhere by logging in with their unique credentials. With an online quizmaker, teachers can prevent cheating, even in unsupervised settings, by changing the order or set of questions so no two learners get the same questions and restricting the time for answering questions. You can even have the questions be picked from a pool of questions so students get different questions with same difficulty level, different order of questions, and even different order of answer options when they do get the same question. They can even avoid unauthorized access by protecting the quiz with passwords. All it needs is a few settings and configurations. See, it is that easy for all you teachers out there. Sign up today and create amazing quizzes. It's free. ProProfs Quizmaker makes online testing a delightful experience for teachers.